Hello students, now we are going to solve question number 11 of exercise number 5.3. Students, this question is very interesting question because so many things we have to find in this question. In this question we have given, if the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. First of all, we have given that Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. What is the first term? We have asked first thing, first term, that is A, is equal to S1 is equal to question mark or A1. Second, what is the sum of first two terms, that is S2. Third, what is the second term, that is A2. Fourth, similarly find the third term A3, 10th term A10 and nth term, that is An. So students, 6 things we have to find in this question. Clear? See, S1 is the first term, that is sum of one term, that is first term A. S2 means sum of two terms, A1 plus A2, that means A1 plus A2. A2, we have to find A2. How we find A2? If we subtract S1 from S2, A1 plus A2 minus A1, that is A2 will given. That means we can write here S2 minus S1. Clear? Similarly, when we find A3, so we will write here S3 minus S2. S3 minus S2. Similarly, A10 is equal to S10 minus S9, and at the last An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So students, we have to find all these things to get these things. Clear? Now be ready. Put n is equal to 1. This implies S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So first term A is equal to 3. It is our first answer. Second, put n is equal to 2. This implies S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square, that is 4 to the 8 minus 4, that is 4. Now A2 is equal to S2 minus S1, that is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Clear? A2, A1 find A2, S2, then A2. Now A3. To find A3, we have to find S3 first. S3. Now put n is equal to 3. This implies S3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square is equal to 4 to the 12 minus 9, that is 3. Now A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. S2 is 4, S3 is 3. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Clear? 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Fourth part we have to find A10, that means S10 minus S9. So put n is equal to 9. N is equal to 9. This implies S9 is equal to 4 into 9 minus 9 square. So S9, 4 9 is 36 minus 81. So S9 is equal to 45, minus 45. S9 is minus 45. Now again put n is equal to 10. this implies S10 is equal to 4 into 10 minus 10 square. So S10 is equal to 40 minus 100, that is minus 60. Therefore, A10 is equal to S10 minus S9. So A10 is equal to S10, that is minus 60 minus 45. So minus 60 plus 45 is equal to minus 15. So A10 is equal to minus 15. Clear? Now, last one is AN. To find AN, we have to find Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn we have given. So we have to find Sn minus 1. Now put n is equal to n minus 1, or we can write Sn minus 1 is equal to 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. Got it? Then 4n minus 4 minus n square minus 2n plus 1. Got it? A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 4n minus 4 minus n square minus plus 2n minus 1. So here 4n plus 2n, that is 6n minus n square minus 5, or we can write minus n square plus 6n minus 5, Sn minus 1. Now An, I am rubbing this. An is equal to, therefore An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn is 4n minus n square minus Sn minus 1 is minus n square plus 6n minus 5 is equal to 4n minus n square plus n square minus 6n plus 5. Here n square cancel, minus 2n plus 5, or An is equal to 5 minus 2n. So students, so many things we have found here. A1, then A2, then A3, then A10, then AN here. So in this way you can find any term. Okay, so pause the video to be noted down.